Okay, so from the previous webinar, okay, our live webinar, I already show you on how to identify the market structure. Okay, so now let's see here. So this is rally phase. Okay, how do you know it's a rally phase? Look at the head and tail here. Okay, get here. So for this example, I'm going to give you at the daily time frame only. Okay, so it's just the same. Okay, as long as you know how to identify the market structure, that will be good enough. Okay, so higher, 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 low, oh, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. So this is a rally phase. Okay, so this is rally phase. And then the rally phase here, the higher high and the higher low has been missing. There is no new higher low. No higher high and no higher low. They are missing. Okay, so the higher high and the higher low are missing. Instead of doing new higher high and doing new higher low, the price are creating new lower high here. Okay. Look at the structure here. So the structure here, as we can see, it has been changed into the drop phase. So this is drop phase. Okay, so this is drop phase. How do we know it changed from rally phase to drop phase? Is because of the structure breaker here. Okay, so you can see here, it has been engulfed here. Okay, and also it has been engulfed here. So this is two significant structure breaker that already happened. So that's why from rally phase to drop phase, okay, it has been changed. Remember, whenever there is a structure breaker, okay, remember if there is any structure breaker, it's a signal to us that telling us that the price are changing phase. Okay, there's a structure breaker and then there's a structure breaker, and then look at here, it has been held by this demand, and then the price start going up again. Okay, and the price start going up again because of the price here has been held by this RBR, rally best rally, and held this price, and then the price are retracing going up. So when the price are going up, this is where we are going to look for sell. Okay, so look at here. Because of the rally phase has been changed into drop phase, you are going to look for sell. Okay, so the price here has been held by this demand. So the price are retracing going up, and then you're going to look for sell, and there is a drop, best drop here. So this is drop, best drop. Okay, so for this one, really best rally. Okay, so the STP will be around here. This will be the STP. Okay, so that's how you are going to identify the structure breaker. So since it's a daily time frame, you will wait much more higher or much more longer. Okay, so imagine this is only an M15 or M5, so that could be easy for you. But for study purposes, you are going to learn how to spot the market structure only. If you struggle in this syllabus, you're going to be struggle in looking for the safest entry. Looking for the SOP, it will be easy, very easy. But for the market structure, this is where most of the traders are fail to do so. Okay, so this is video number 1 showing you how the market structure works. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you at another time.